This is highly requested video. A lot of us don't know how to make glowing, brightening and maintenance soap. There's difference between brightening, lightening and whitening. So this, like I said, is a highly requested video. I want to show us how we can do that at home. It's very simple. I said let me box this black soap for you to see. Can you see that? This is all packaging. I bought packaging with little black soap inside. I bought cartons with little black soap inside. So for you that are saying your black soap is expensive and all of that, I hope you can see this. You see cartons in the packaging and some very, very little black soap. This black soap, even after mixing, we can't even get 500 grams. 250, we cannot get 500 grams of this black soap, because I don't make my black soap watery. I make it very, very thick for you to get value of your money. So I just finished crushing my black soap. This is Ghana black soap right there. It's one, and there's my soap activator. I made this myself. This will help your skin to be so soft and give you that extra glow. So I made this soap activator myself. I will be using it to soak the soap. I will not be using any form of water in this soap. There's one secret that you have to know. If you want your soap to last longer, don't use water. And if you want it to scent well, don't use water in mixing your black soap. So again, this is our anti-pimples green balls. It's called green balls, and it helps with pimples, any form of acne, active pimples and all of that. So it's very good when making your black soap. So the measurement for all this is your small black Ghana soap, one, and then half cup of your soap activator, and then or any form of liquid that you'll be using. Even if you not be using soap activator, just use half cup. That's 125 grams, right, of liquid. You can use herbal water like carrot water and all of that, but just take note that it will change the scent of it. So that's one disadvantage of using herbal water. Like fresh herbal water, it will really make your soap go bad in short period of time, and then this is and 3 green balls, crushed 3 green balls inside. That's the measurement. Do I need to write the measurement? All right, then this is our camwood powder. We'll be using just 1 tablespoon. So all the measurement, if you watching this video, you will get to know all the measurements. This is 1 tablespoon of camwood powder. This powder is very good when it's come to smoothening your skin. Okay, and then 1 tablespoon again of sandalwood powder. This is sandalwood powder. As you can see, 1 tablespoon. All these powders that you see are necessary and important when you're trying to achieve that glowing, radiant, complexion. And this is turmeric powder, again 1 tablespoon. It will help in lightening, brightening. Okay, it will help in brightening, clearing all those blemishes. And this is our kojic acid powder. Don't worry if you don't have kojic acid powder. You can you can make this without the kojic acid powder. I just feel like it's necessary for giving that brightening. I said this will brighten. I'm not saying lightening. It will brighten your skin. Then this is our sulfur powder. Help in drying active pimples. If you have pimples on your face, on your body, it will help to dry. This like half tablespoon of the sulfur powder. And then our next ingredient is honey. This is raw honey. It will help in moisturizing your skin, bringing in moisture. It will help with fighting bacteria, dull skin. It helps in brightening also. So honey is very good, as you know black soap used to dry skin. So this, like anything that will bring moisture back to your skin, you absolutely need it. Like it's important in these formulations. Apart from the black soap that dry skin, all these powders too, it will help in drying your skin, but again they work. And again, this is our what is it called, this our glycerin. This is our glycerin. We use 1 tablespoon also of the glycerin. You know what glycerin does? It's good in moisturizing our skin. We need all the moisture we can get. And this is our shea butter. Like shea butter will help. Don't think shea butter darkens skin and then you will not use it. This is not lightening soap. This is brightening and treatment soap. So you need the shea butter. If you don't have the shea butter, you can use coconut oil, 2 tablespoons rather, or almond oil, any carrier oil. You can use like 2 tablespoons in this recipe. Okay, so now I'll just soak this. Like I finished mixing it, I'll just let it rest. Then I'll proceed to pound this soap that you see. Like I said, it's very simple. You see, is straight to the point, or straightforward, right? It's very simple to make, and trust me, it will give you that glowing. Like people will be like, what are you using on your skin? You get that glowing skin. This will give you. If you notice, I did not use preservative on this because I did not use any water. Like if you know your ingredient, you don't need to waste some ingredients. Okay, so this is me pounding it. I said let me just pound this. You get, and this is our soap. Finished pounding. You see how very very thick and pasty this soap is. Guys, just try this soap. Okay, just try making this and you will stick to this soap. Trust me. You don't want to lighten your skin, then this soap is for you. You just want to maintain your skin, you want a little brightening and then glowing and then very radiant, then this soap is for you. Even if you're fair skin, you can use this soap. It will not darken you at all. It will not darken your skin, rather it will maintain your skin, and then it will add healthy, So thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to learn how to formulate skincare product, there's link in my description box where you chat me on WhatsApp, and then we get to talk. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video. I have tons of videos like this in my channel where I help you know how to formulate skincare product from scratch, effective skincare product from scratch, right? No gatekeeping. Okay, so you can check them out. So this is our soap. Like, look how thick it is. Like, I don't make watery soaps at all. I used to see a lot of black soap so watery. Like, that is not black soap. You need to like use your 250 grams like this for like 3 months without finishing. That is you using black soap, not half month and the black soap is finished. So thank you for watching. Bye.